In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Phantom wallet to a Telegram bot. By following these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate your wallet with the bot for enhanced functionality. Begin by opening the Telegram app on your device. If you have not already installed Telegram, you can download it from your device's app store. Once you have the app open, navigate to the specific Telegram bot that you want to connect with your Phantom wallet. Next, type or tap the command start in the chat. With the bot, this command is usually the first interaction you will have with the bot and will initiate the connection process. After sending this command, you should see a response from the bot confirming that it is ready to assist you. After that, look for the option that says Connect Wallet or Phantom within the bot's response. This button or link will facilitate the connection between the bot and your wallet. Tap on this option to proceed to the next step. Once you tap the connect option, the bot will generate and display a connection link. This link is crucial as it establishes the connection between the Telegram bot and your Phantom wallet. Make sure to review the link before proceeding. Tap the connection link and it will automatically open the Phantom wallet application on your device. If you do not have the Phantom wallet app installed, you will need to download it from the appropriate app store to complete this. Now that the Phantom wallet app is open, look for the options to connect or approve the connection request. Tapping on either of these options will finalize the connection process. Your wallet is now successfully connected to the Telegram bot, allowing you to use its features with your Phantom wallet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.